Welcome to our presentation. I'm Tanush. What is the architecture? For this website, we have used WordPress to build it. We have hosted WordPress on the Hestia control panel, which is further hosted on Oracle Cloud. The domain is connected to Cloudflare for DDoS protection and encryption using an SSL certificate. Hestia control panel also has built-in spam protection against suspicious requests to the server. How are the emails managed? The mail server is also managed and controlled by the Hestia control panel, but we have used an SMTP relay with Bravo to ensure better email deliverability. This helps ensure that emails don't go into user spam box. We have created an email account using our root domain and then connected that with WordPress so that all emails go through that account. Now let's come to search engine optimization. For managing SEO and ensuring that the website looks as intended on Google search, we have used the Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress, so we can edit metadata for each page on our website. To ensure that the website is visible on Google search, we have added it to the Google Search Console and submitted the sitemap so that Google can easily crawl it.
Hi, my name is Karthik Panatota. So essentially, our company's target audience revolves around the fact that we go for people who want to basically come to our restaurant, eat food, watch different sports, and basically have a good time. Because our restaurant has numerous different skills. It has a bunch of beverages, a bunch of appetizers, a bunch of desserts, and also many main meals that people can just enjoy while having fun with their friends. At the same time, it's called the Game Day Grill, where they come to watch different NFL's games or NBA games or MLB games, and we also have many coupons that relate to these sports. So essentially, one thing that makes this company as a whole very unique and is basically a unique selling point is that we're not just a restaurant. We don't just provide food. We also have aspects of watching sports and having a good time with others, and that's why our target audience is on people who just want to chill while having multifaceted needs. Now, the work division of our project revolved around two aspects, the technical and the presentation. So, through the technical aspect, all four of us kind of combined to split the work evenly, as some of us worked into the aspects of the front end and some of us worked into aspects of the back end. So, we basically split it like two people work on the front end and two people would work on the back end, which will also are mostly the coding aspects, and the front end is more of user friendliness and user accessibility. And then along with that, the presentation side. So how we split the presentation was that we split our slides evenly through the four people into aspects of where each person would feel like they could shine the brightest or do the best. And that was basically why we allocated enough time to each person in order to achieve the best standards and the most success in our presentation. And then now, basically, our company has a lot of user friendliness and responsiveness, as we are very accessible and responsible to any user that wants to use our website or actually come to our restaurant and have a good time. Because many of the links flow perfectly well. We have everything that any user needs right in front of them in a list, and it's all very organized. And essentially, it's a easy and calm place where people can just get what they need to get and get the job done. And also, one other thing is that we have many different aspects of where to book a reservation or cancel a reservation or add some comments, and we have very good reviews too. And everything is just available to the user. So, one, it's very friendly, two, it's very responsive, and it's a calm and collected website. Thank you.
Now, design is arguably the most important part of a website as it's the one key design that either pushes customers away from your brand or takes customers inside of your brand. This website we created was designed as per the restaurant setting and aura, as it consisted of multiple backgrounds ranging from delicious food items to a few wine glasses that could lighten the environment. Essentially, the design of the website was intended to provide information and insights on what the experience would be, like as if it's simply a place where people can relax, eat wonderful food, and watch exciting sports games. The key parts of good customer satisfaction is letting the user have the ability to contact the restaurant, whether it's being able to cancel a reservation or report a problem with their order. For us, the user can contact us by filling out the information listed in the contact section. The contact section includes the restaurant's number, address, email, and a form for inquiries or questions. Once the form is filled out, the admin will receive an email. From there, the admin can respond to the user with emails. One of the main concerns of website development is user accessibility. Some users may need a text to speech or some other helpful resource to help them read through the website. So for user accessibility concerns, we use Accessibility by User Way plugin. The plugin allows us to implement various accessibility features, making the contrast, highlight links, and making the text or the cursor bigger, and hiding images. This helps to make our site reachable to all kinds of users. Additionally, this allows the users to not have to adjust it to the layout of the website, as they can change it to make it more accessible and comfortable to them.
When the user is in the home page, the user can easily access the menu when they click the menu option in the header listed above. Once the user clicks on this option, the user will be taken to the menu page. In the menu page, the user can type in the dish that they want to order by easily typing it into the search bar that we have. Under the search bar, we have multiple divisions such as beverages, burgers, and also main courses, which are only some of few. Under each division, we have dishes listed below. Each dish also consists of its own picture, name, description, and price, and also an add to cart icon. Once the user clicks on the dish, the user will be taken to another page specifically for the dish. The user can examine the picture by just hovering over it, which will maximize it, and also order the dish at a certain quantity. Once the user adds the dishes they want to order, they can easily access the cart by clicking on the cart icon, which can be found in the bottom right corner. Once they click on this icon, they can view all the dishes they added to cart and the quantity and the price. Below all of this, they can add a coupon code, view the subtotal and total, and also view the cart in a separate page and also place an order. Once they click place order, they will be taken to another page which asks for billing/address information. And to the right of this information, they can also view the final order, which consists of the dishes and the images and the quantity that they want to order it in. Below the dishes, they can see the tax, subtotal, and total. And underneath this, they can finally place the order if they want to continue. In order for the user to make a reservation, they need to click on the Book a Table button, which is located in the top right corner of the homepage, located in the header. This button is highlighted in blue. Once they click on this button, they can easily make a reservation by filling out a 3-step process. This goes for the same for the cancellation process, where they can simply fill out the same information that they had to fill out for the reservation and receive an email.
I hope you liked our presentation. Thanks for your attention.